In this video, I will show you how to create the creative Instagram stories to boost your latest post. Coming up. Hi everyone, I am Harshvardhan. Welcome to harshvardhanart.com. As all of you know that there is one feature of the Instagram which has most engagement and the most views, and that is the Instagram stories. So whenever you are publishing a new post on Instagram, it's very important that you promote your latest post on Instagram stories. But rather than creating the old boring Instagram stories about the latest post, why not show some creativity and create some amazing Instagram stories about your latest post so that your audience click through it and get engaged with your latest post so that you get more likes, follows and engagements. So in this video, you will learn how to create that creative Instagram stories for your latest post. And for creating creative Instagram stories, we'll be using the Instagram app itself, and the second one is the Swift keyboard if you are using the Android, because the feature we require for this purpose is not available in the Android phones. So if you are a user of the Android phone just like me, then you need the Swift keyboard. Otherwise, we'll be using only the Instagram native app itself. So without further ado, let's get started. And before we go any further, please hit the like button. If you have any question or if you want to say something, you can always leave that in the comment section below. And if you have not subscribed to this channel, please consider subscribing for more amazing tips, tricks and tutorials. So let's get started. So whenever you publish a new post on Instagram, just come to your Instagram profile. And you can see this is mine, Harshvardhan Art. And if you have not followed me, please do follow me for more tips, tricks and tutorials. So you have to just scroll a little bit up and until over here you will see this kind of a screen, and just take a screenshot of this area. Okay, so once you have taken the screenshot, what you have to do now, you have to just click on this post, which is your latest post, and just click on this arrow and click on the add post to your stories, and you will see this which would be posted, but you have to click on this and just make it smaller, something like this. All right, and then you can just place it over here. And now if you just click on the sticker icon, if you are using the iPhone, you will see the gallery option or picture option right over here. But if you are using the Android phone like me, so that's why you have to install this Microsoft keyboard Swift key, and then you have to go to the settings, and in the settings you will find this additional settings, and thereafter language and input, and over here you can see the current keyboard is Gboard. Just click on this and change it to the Microsoft Swift keyboard. So that would be available only when you install this. And thereafter what you have to do, you have to go back to the Instagram. Over here we have not yet posted the story, just keep this in mind. And thereafter what you have to do, just click anywhere, okay, and then the Swift keyboard would be open. And thereafter what you have to do, you have to just click on this emoji, and once you will click on this, you will see lots of emojis over here. But you have to come over here on this pin icon, just click on this pin icon, and that would open up the galleries over here. But if you don't see any new picture, just click on this camera icon. So just click on this and you will see the latest screenshot which you have just taken. Just click on that and just click on this arrow, and that could be pasted over here. But if you are using the iPhone, this option is available right over there, but in Android phones this is not available. So that's why we have to use the Microsoft Swift keyboard. And now just scale it up, maybe something like this. Okay, and then click on this story or this picture which we have just add it. But before that, let me just click on this so that this one just comes on the top, and let me just reposition it or realign it so that it just comes over here. Click on this and click on this once again, and thereafter go to the sticker icon and then type circle, and in the Jiffy you will see any of these circles. You can just go for any of these. Let me just find one which looks good. Let's say this one, and just make it bigger, something like this. Okay, and then click once again on the sticker, and this time type tab here, and you will see any of these stickers. So just check any of these sticker and just paste it over here. Okay, and now just post this story. Just click on the post, and if you want to add the music, that would make it even further more attractive. So just click on this one, and this time just close it. Click on the arrow, and you will see this music icon. Just click on this, and let's search for Tried So Hard, and just find it. Let's say this one. Okay, and press done, and now your story is ready to be posted. So just click on this your story, and your new story or creative story would be posted on the Instagram. Just click on the home button and click on the your story, and you can see that this is being just posted. So just wait for a moment, let it complete. Yes, you can see right now this has been posted, and this one is looking much amazing. So now your audience who is most likely to click on your stories and check out your latest post. I hope you found this video useful, and now you can create the amazing creative Instagram stories and you can post your latest post, and I hope you will get more views, likes and engagement. So thank you so much. Bye bye. See you in the next video. Till then, keep shooting and unleash the creative in you. And if you have not subscribed to this channel, please consider subscribing for more amazing tips, tricks and tutorials. Bye bye.